also
practical
give me
skills.
second chance for the self-dependent India. So now I would like to tell you about that why we need to be self-dependent. We cannot rely on someone. We cannot rely on our parents. We cannot rely on our uncle, aunt, or anybody. Because I'm just going to tell you a short story of my life that how dependent I was and how independent I am right now. Okay, so I'm going to start the story. This is the very small story of my life when I was quite rely on my family member. My uncle used to give me some money for my tuition, what I was doing from my after coming from the school. As I have already told you that I have completed my schooling, entire schooling from government school. So I was not getting a lot of kind of information, good information from the government school. For that reason, I was also going for some tuition classes. So for that tuition classes, I need some money there. It was not like very much money, but it was just kind of 3,000 or something. So I was taking this money from my uncle. So what he did is he just taunted me one day that I am giving you money, you are going there, you are not even, you are all dependent on me, you are rely on me, or you are taking these kind of money from my side. So one day you are going to be something, you have to give some percent of your income. So I was like very scared at the time. I was thinking that what to do now, because if I will earn something, I'm earning for myself, I'm earning for my family, I'm earning for my parents, not for my uncle who is already this much rich. Why should I give money to my uncle if I'm earning, if I'm studying? So that day I decided that now I will not take single penny from you at all. So what did I do? At the beginning I started to taking tuition classes. I just got like two or three students. So at the beginning I was just earning like 400. It was sufficient for taking any specific tuition. If you are taking any specific tuition, in 4 or 500 you can easily get the tuition. So instead of going that coaching, I stopped going the coaching and I was started taking tuition. And with the same way I was also doing self studies, because it doesn't matter from where are you studying or from where which reputed college you are studying from. If you are not doing self studies, it doesn't matter at all. Everything would be waste, your money would be waste, everything would be waste. And if you are doing self studies, if you are self aware, then you are going to do something for yourself. So I became very independent for myself, and I am now independent as I got like two jobs at the same time because of my independent. I used to give my so many introduction in schools and colleges. So I was selected for the art teacher in college, and I was selected for the English teacher in school at the same time. So I decided to serve the school, but for the sake of time,